Good morning, welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show, guys. Amazing to be in the kitchen giving you favorite recipes, ideas and things that you like to make at home. Anyway, I want to take it away very slowly this morning. I'm going to make you some bagel with some egg and bacon and cheese. Mwah! I know you guys gonna love this one, so please subscribe to the YouTube channel, leave a comment in the description box. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo show. We got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas, and a lot more things will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. So please stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. Watch the video. Tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. So this video, which I'm going to make, is going to be a simple recipe. And you know what I mean, if you got your kids at home, you got, you know what I mean, your kids, you know what I mean, the youngsters studying and I want to make something for breakfast, this coming really handy for you. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere and watch the video and make this one at home. This is from Chef Ricardo on the team. Thank you so much. Nice and lovely. So basically we've got 3 eggs right here and few pieces of bacon which we're going to be using. And in the meantime, over here I have a medium-sized frying pan on the stove which I'm going to be using. I just turn on my stove and a little bit of high temperature, as you guys can see right here, guys. So at the moment it's on gas mark 6. I'm going to turn it down a little bit low. So 3 eggs and some bacon. So let's go into business. Nice one. So turn on my stove a little bit low now, and we're going to put on a medium-sized heat. I'm gonna pop a little bit of oil inside of the frying pan like this, roughly about 3 tablespoons of olive oil or vegetable oil. Whatever oil you like to use, this coming really handy for you guys. All right. So in the meantime, the frying pan is going to be getting hot, and I'm gonna show you exactly what you're going to do next. All right, guys. So please stay tuned and don't go anywhere and watch this nice lovely video. Nice one. So frying pan made hot now, not made hot, it's pretty hot. Let's see what's going on. Yeah, because I don't want it to fry up and I start to sprinkle all over the whole kitchen. So what we want to do is just do it in a simpler way like this. So as you can see, start to fry. Turn on my stove a little bit low. So as you can see, that's the bacon. Just going to turn it on a little bit like this. Make sure you pan fry the bacon properly. You don't want to eat any raw bacon. bacon looking so lovely and nice. So you don't want to burn up the bacon, but you want it to have a little bit of color. As you can see, yeah, those looking lovely and nice. But some of the color is pretty good for it so far. I'm gonna take out this bacon now, and all I'm going to do is lay them on the definitely gonna lay them right now on there. There we go. These are ready. Lovely. So that's the bacon. Alright? Nice, so we're gonna put 3 eggs. Nice one. So that's the 3 eggs. Pinch of salt. Don't want to put too much. It's looking good. Other side. Nice one. A little bit of pepper. Pinch of salt. So what we're gonna do, turn off the stove. That's finished. Well done egg. Nice one. So that's exactly what's going on at the moment. Then what we're going to do next is get some cheese. On top. I'll put a bagel like this. just like this, just like this. This must be lovely and nice, right? So what we're gonna do now, pop this in the oven for about 3 to 4 seconds. All right, let the cheese melt. Nice and lovely. So just take it back from the oven, guys. It's amazing. Look at that. That is fantastic, nice and beautiful. So I know you guys 100% will love this because of the way I'm making it. So really nice with the cheese, bacon and egg. So please enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Leave a comment in the description box, and please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. I will see you next time with more recipe. Bye bye.